Crazy Cow MM here, KO7 Entertainment. Today I'm doing my first tutorial. Now I hope I do this good. So, this tutorial is going to be on how to port forward your Minecraft server on a Mac. I haven't found too many very good things on how to do this. So, first, you obviously just make a folder, and you want to call it your server. I'm just going to call it. Oops. Tutorial, but I don't care if I spelled that wrong. And then you're going to go. Whoops. This is not just about port forwarding. It's about making it as well. Then you're going to go to Minecraft.net, right? Go back. You click this. Already bought the game. Downloaded here. Click right there. And then down here, there's a multiplayer server thing. And then otherwise, and so if you're on Mac, like me, or Linux, you download this Minecraft server 1.8.jar. Oh, and I also have to mention to you, there's other websites like Bucket, but currently they're down. Just mentioning it. And there's also Spigot, which is you still can't download this because they're all been taken down by other stuff. But anyway, go to Minecraft.net, and then you should have this downloads thing down here. If you don't, you can just open a Finder window, and it should be right there. But you can go into it, and it should be Minecraft server 1.8.jar or whatever version you're on. It doesn't matter. Sadly, Minecraft.net does not host older servers, so you'd have to go somewhere else to find them. I don't know what it is. So it's right here, and then you open it, and it should, oops. Of course, if you have this new security plugin that Mac came out with, you'll have to right-click it and then press open. But if you don't, if you're still on, haven't updated in a while, then it's okay. And it should open this thing. Now, of course, it's going to say starting, loading properties. So it failed to load the reload.txt, so you have to agree to this electronic license agreement in order for it to work. You can read the document. I've never read the document. I don't know what it is. It's probably something weird, but it said it's true, and then you launch it again. Just wait for it to launch. It should generate everything that you need in there. Generate the world for you and stuff. Wait till leave that to run. You just minimize it. But then there's the issue if you want your friend to be able to join your server, but they're on a different network. So what you have to do, go to your launchpad area, and it should be in other, unless yours is called utilities. It might be in utilities, but you have to find airport utility. You can also use Spotlight, but yeah, just like that. But anyway, and then you're going to want to go to I have 2 Airport Expresses at the moment. Just I'm trying the right one. But just go to one. Doesn't really matter. Go to network. And just wait for this to load. Actually, I can't do that. Wait a second, I'm having issues. Otherwise. One second. There we go. Alright, so I have 2 networks. Alright, so you want to go to your router, and it doesn't matter what it is, but you click on it, it should open up this thing, and you press edit. Then you go into the network tab up here. Click on it, and I already have a bunch of ports. And you press this plus button, because there should be none. And you could name it like, name it whatever your server is. But, and then what you want to do is type 25565, which is a Minecraft port. And then you just copy it into every single one. Now, of course, I have to do something else different because so it should look like this. You can name it whatever you want; it doesn't matter. But then you have to put 25565 in every single box that does not have writing in it. But you should press like save and update and stuff. But then what you're gonna want to do. You don't have to change anything in your server properties. Most people get confused and think. You can go to whatismyip.com, and it'll say your IP here. What this is how your friends will connect to your server. They'll type this into the server box, and you can yeah, type this into the server box. I'll show you just a bit. This launches. Type that into the server box. That's your IP. Now you might be thinking, but all the other servers, they have like letter IPs and stuff. Well, for those you need like a special thing. So the one I just opened is not on any of these because it's not. Just a second. So it could look like this. You can put a server icon. I'll tell you how to do that in a bit. Let's try this. So launch it. You can have multiple ones running at once, by the way, if you make multiple ports. But if you do a port other than 25565, you will have to something like this. So this port is 25570. You'll have to literally put 25570 at colon 25570 at the end. So, yeah, just a second. And you shouldn't be able to run two servers on the same port. It won't let you. Yeah, but if you launch it, and you can actually get it to launch. Here we go. Now a bit slow and it takes a while, but if you launch it, and it should. Second. Oh, now I've killed everything. Snap. Yeah, I broke it. Alright, so I'm back. I fixed this. Probably. Okay, so it should. Here it is. So it should, you can, so I've set my custom thing, but it should just say Minecraft server. There'll be no icon here. Well, actually, the new 1.8, there should be this icon. Anyway, so that should be like that, with no icon. And then, just to make icons and stuff, first you have to actually stop your server. That. Just try to stop, and it'll stop it and close everything. Oops, we're in a tutorial here for you. Alright, so I got all this. To change the thing, whoops, right, forgot about that. This is server.properties is set to default to open with preview, but where we want to go is going to go into open with, press other, and then press always open with, and scroll down and find text edit, text wrangler, whatever text thing you use to and it should open it, right? Like this. It should look like this. You can set the generator settings, the permission level, blah, 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 blah. But basically, what we're going to look at is the MOTD. Right now, it's a Minecraft server. Now, say if you wanted to do... Oh, I don't know. KO7 craft. But you're like, well, the color of all my stuff is blue. How can I make this blue? What you would do to make it blue is \U, oops, 00, capital A, 7, then you type the color number. I'll put a link in the description to the color numbers page on the wiki, on Minecraft Wiki. The color number for the color code thing, whatever, for the data value for blue is 1. So now the MOTD is KO7 craft. Now make sure to save it. Be a very good idea. And open your server again. Why did I close Minecraft? I feel like an idiot now. Always have Minecraft open when you're doing a Minecraft video. It should, you know, blah blah blah, load up its stuff. You can do all the commands in here, except don't just type like, don't just go like, you know, if you want to say hello to your friends, what? Just type say hello like that. No, server hello, like that. Be like, hey, I'm cool man. I got the server hello thing going on here. What should, yeah, KO7 craft. And there's also like a bold and stuff, so if you want to do bold, I believe it's this way. You want to go the bold, you want to do the color, then the bold. So slash U, \U, 00A, 7L. Backslash is just below the delete, by the way, if you don't know where that is right now. So then it'll be save it, of course. Maybe not save that. Stop your server because there's no reload, which I get really annoyed at. I had a Craftbook server forever, but then Craftbook went down, so I don't have Craftbook server anymore. So I can't get a Craftbook server anymore. Yeah, whatever. But anyway, it'll be bold. Now the MOTD will be bold. Something like that. Now, if you wanted to create an icon, you could just press the X button, by the way. It'll, like, close and stuff itself. It won't just be like force quit. Now, if you wanted to make an icon, I personally recommend Pixlr, just because that's what I use all the time. You can use like GIMP or whatever, but you can create a new image or open an image from your computer. I'm just going to create a new image, and just to make it simple. And you're going to want to make it 64 by 64. You can make it transparent or not. I'm going to make it transparent just to look cool. And zoom in up here, this bar. I'll do it in GIMP as well. I think I have GIMP. I'm pretty sure I have GIMP. Nope, I don't have GIMP. Well, but GIMP looks almost exactly like this, except it's an application. And then you can press, you can go text. Say you want text. Go here. Let's just do KC. How about? You can change the size and stuff here. I'll tell you how to do that in a minute. So you go here, make it size, you can margin it, shrinking it. It's not this big. Change the color, it's a nice color we have here. Do a nice blue, dark grayish blue thing there. Then you can change your font. Now, if you don't like any of the fonts here on this, which you might not, you can go to thefont.com. And there's all these fonts just made by, like, people. You can go into my favorites are, like, you know, techno section. You can go to sci-fi, and there's, like, these Batman stars, stuff like this. And Nation, and then, you know, destroy, I don't know, infected, stuff. And you press download. I'm gonna take... for KO7 Craft. Let's go here. And then what you're going to do, your Mac, this should be easy. You want to click on it, if I can find it. It should be in a folder or not. And you're going to click the Dalek, or whatever it's called, tt.ttf. And if you're on Mac, it should open a thing called Font Book. They'll just say install font. Press install font. It'll be like beep, 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 beep. I have lots of other fonts. And it should be like, yep. Then what you're going to need to do, now it won't pick up on it, so you should probably save this as something. Just a second. It's so hard to find fonts in this, but I'm actually going to use Crazy. Excited. So I got that. But you should install font and then reload it. Or if you didn't even have it open, whatever. But, and then you should be able to access the font. Now, to save it, what's really annoying, do not do Command-C, do Control-C. Because it'll be like, because if you do Command-C, I'll show you in a sec. It'll do like this, and then it'll open this, and it'll try to export the thing as a web archive and stuff. So you don't want to do that, even though it will open up this anyway. But you want to select PNG. You want to name it server icon. It has to be that. And then you're going to press OK. And it'll open up this. And you can put it anywhere you want. I prefer in downloads. And you press save. It'll save it. Have your image. Then what you're going to do, which is a really easy step actually, just going to drag your server icon into the thing. And you're going to open Minecraft. Why do I keep closing? It's a really bad idea. You're going to open Minecraft. Press play. You should know how to do this if you're watching this, because I don't know. I don't teach people how to play Minecraft. I'm not that good. Okay, then you got this here. And you got multiplayer. And I haven't launched the server yet. What the heck? Come on, server. Launch. Launch. There we go. So got that. Just gonna wait. Finish preparing the world. Start region. Done. And it should say, or not. And then you press refresh. And see, you got your icon. KO7 Craft. Looks cool, doesn't it? Yep, I like it. Anyway, that's really all you want to know. You have to do. You can just keep this open if you want. You know, whatever. Oh, for the rest of the stuff. Ban IPs, ban players, stuff. Basically, all that is ban players. Don't open the actual files. If you want to ban someone, just go into here and do ban. Ban myself. What the heck? Why am I doing that? It should... Yeah, it banned me. And then and if I tried to join on, it would be like ban handler spoken. And if you want to unban someone, you can do pardon. You know, unban, or I think you can do unban. No, actually, you can't actually pardon. And then, like, ban IP, you have to go, ban IP. We could ban IP 10.0.1.12. What ban IP is not a command? Well, you can ban IPs. So that's like their Wi-Fi address cannot join. The whitelist, you do whitelist. You have to do whitelist to activate it, and then you have to do /whitelist add whatever their username is. User cache, nothing you need to worry about. Ops, just do /op them. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I will see you later. Hope you enjoyed my first tutorial ever. Oh, do you like it? Mac OS X Yosemite. See ya. Hopefully, if you're watching this video, have Mac OS X Yosemite, because if you don't, you might not be able to tell what I'm doing. See ya.